Yo, what's up?
You should have just had that camera a close up on like these guys, and whenever
we're talking.
Hey guys, I'm Lenny. Hey guys, I'm Lenny.
And I'm Becky.
And
we're from Jungle Scout.
Today we're doing the Jungle Product Challenge. For those of you that didn't tune in last time, Becky, what is the Jungle Product Challenge?
So the product challenge is that Lenny here has been given some filters to use in our Jungle Scout database to find a product that would genuinely sell on Amazon. And you've only got 5 minutes to do so.
Somewhat genuinely, yes. Yeah. 5 minutes. Okay, so what are my filters today, Becky?
So your filters are, today you're going to be looking at the US market.
Perfect.
And your minimum price is $15.
Okay.
Your sales is a minimum of 300 units per month. And your reviews is 100 max. Okay. And your star rating is a 3 maximum as well.
Okay, great. So for the most part, that's a fairly standard set of filters. You know, we want a minimum price of $15 so that the profit margins aren't too slim below that amount. Then, you know, we want a decent amount of demand, which we've got in the sales. The reviews aren't too high. So if it's under 100 or the further below 100 we can get, that means it's not going to be too competitive. But the key here is that we've got the average star rating set to a maximum of 3. So what we're looking for here is products that essentially can be improved. So if we can find some products that are still selling well, despite the fact that they're not rated that highly on Amazon, that could give us an opportunity to sell that same potential product, but just improve upon it. I haven't looked at any of the products yet. I haven't done this, but hopefully we'll find some examples to show you guys. All right, so what do you say? Let's...
Yeah, well, let me get so
Get
it's 5 minutes, right?
5 minutes, not a second less. I'm going to need all of them.
Don't be nervous. Ready?
Okay, all right, let's do this.
Right, 3, 2, 1, go.
All right, what have we got? We've got some gloves. I'm just going to go through really quickly. What's this? A car vehicle portable ceramic heater. So this one's got a good amount of sales. The review's only 6. That's great. Let's just open that one up on Amazon. We'll keep going. 180 days of problem solving for kindergarten. It sounds like, yeah, that sounds like a game, so that'll be licensed. We can't private label that. Chick-fil-A calendar.
Oh, that's amazing.
Interesting. We'll leave that for now. So a calendar is clearly quite seasonal, so it would be selling really well right now, but it probably won't sell for more than a few months.
Right, for my mum.
Yes, but I'm not going to be the one selling it. So, of course, we've got Santa Claus. There's still lots of Christmas stuff. Again, very seasonal. We're going to leave that. A wall plate. I'm not so sure about that. Let's keep going.
I've never seen that one before.
Yeah, so I'm just looking for stuff that stands out as fairly simple. And what have we got? What's this one? Advanced performance car seat covers. Good amount of sales, 395. 95 reviews. That's probably the very top of the amount of reviews that we want. But only 2.5 stars, so that's good. Remember, that's the key. We're looking for products that can be improved. An air compressor. Interesting, but probably a little bit too electrical. Also, I would say that would probably have quite a high product cost, so it'd be a big upfront investment. A drone, super cool. I want one, but I don't want to sell one. Game show, again licensed. We'll leave that. So looking for simple things, easy to private label. Mini foam T-ball set for toddlers. Interesting. $20 price, 700 sales a month. Wow, that's a lot. 65 reviews. That's interesting. I'll bring that one up.
I love watching the videos of kids playing with those and getting people.
All right, what have we got? Arts on desk. How am I going for time, Becky?
I've got, oh dear me. Oh, 2 minutes 50.
In?
Left.
Left. Okay. I gotta get
your game face on.
Yep. All right, come on, internet. All right, here we go. What's on this page?
I'm loving all the Christmas stuff at the moment.
Bath bombs. What is that? $15.95. 700 sales. Only 200 reviews. Let's open that one up. Okay, I'm gonna get to the bottom of this page. Call of Duty. I wish I could sell that. All right, let's go through some of these. So, portable ceramic heater. So what we want to do is that we want to come over to Amazon and we want to look up these products. So what do we call this? I'll call it a portable... Okay, cool. So when you start typing in things, thank you, you'll see some of the most popular search terms, which is what you want. So portable ceramic heaters. And then I'm going to do that for all of these at the moment. So what have we got? Car seat covers, car seat protectors, car seat covers, car seat covers. Okay. What is this? Mini foam. I'll just type in mini foam and then I'll see what Amazon gives me. Basketball balls roller. What was this one? T-ball set for toddlers. Or maybe I'll just go T-ball set, a little bit broader. And then I'm probably not going to have time to get all through these, but I'll go bath.
Oh, 1 minute 20 left.
Bath bombs. Okay, let's go back to the first one.
5 minutes.
All right. We're going to run the Jungle Scout Chrome extension. So this one's great if you're live on Amazon. It just gives you a really quick rundown on everything. So let's have a look. On this first page, we've got a great price point. What we really wanted to be looking at is the average star rating. So we've got a lot of 4s there, a 3.5. Let's move on to the next one. We'll go to car seat covers. Basically, I'm looking for, in the top 10 results, I want to see listings that don't have a great average star rating. Actually, this one looks
40
good.
seconds.
Okay, so average star rating here. In the top 10, we've got 3.5, 3, 4, 2.5, 3, 3. I'm liking this. That's
the same mark that you're looking for.
Yeah, so that's what I'm looking for. The average star rating is quite low, so there's room for improvement, but the sales are actually pretty high. We've got 900, 600, 400, 400. They're reasonably well spread out. The price point is quite good, $15, $20. Up here we've got an average price of $28. I haven't got time to look at the next one, but I quickly will.
5, 4,
come on.
3,
come on.
2, 1.
Okay, I'm going to go with the car seat covers.
Oh.
Just got in there. All right.
So the car seat covers.
Whew. The car seat covers is what I'm gonna pick, okay? But we will go through them now and have a little bit of a closer look to see whether my instinct was right. The reason that I chose the car seat covers, as I outlined, is that the price point is really good. The number of sales is really good. To recap, we also want to see the sales spread out in the top 10. We don't want to see 1 or 2 listings with the majority of sales. We want to see them spread out so that if you can get into that top 10 results, then you've got a good chance of getting sales as well. But the average star rating here, it looks like a lot of them are no more than 3.5 a lot of the time, which is great, which means people are buying these products. These products are selling, some of them 1,000 a month or 600 a month. A lot of people are buying this product. They must really want it, even though it's not rated that well. So what do you do with this information? Well, let's open up some of these listings and have a look at some reviews. So we'll open up the top 3 listings here. So the strategy that we're using here is looking at the reviews that are only 1, 2, or 3 stars, seeing what people don't like about this product. Then that's great information that you can take to your supplier and just say, hey, I want to, can you make me this car seat cover, but with these changes? All right, so let's go to the reviews on this one. Now let's click on the 1-star reviews that make up 18% of this listing's reviews, which is quite a lot. So hopefully that'll give us some great sort of research into this product. All right, so this one looks okay, but very cheap material, okay? So they don't like the material. The cloth has many holes in it, though. You have to be gentle with the installation because it tears easily, okay? Another one, cheap and generic and low quality. So this person is saying the same thing, low quality materials. This one says cheaply made. Save your dollars and cover your car seats in old t-shirts. Okay, that's full on.
That's
okay,
good
mate.
tip.
Yep. This one doesn't fit a particular car.
Yeah, some people are saying that the fitting isn't right.
Yeah, so it does not fit. Okay, so we're getting, just by quickly looking, we're seeing that the material is really cheap and tears easily. It doesn't fit the car like it's meant to. Fabric is poor quality, inferior product, not sewn properly, poor workmanship. Okay, so you get the idea. Let's go to the next listing. So you want to do this with a number of listings to, you know, really be thorough. And you can look at the 2-star and 3-star reviews as well. I'd recommend looking at each one of these, but just to give you an example, we're just going to look at the 1-star. So this is a completely different listing. And what are people saying about this one? The straps are flimsy and tear off the cover. This one says it wasn't fitting, poor quality product. Then this one says it's not a good fit either.
Seems to be the same sort of
yeah, okay, so maybe there's two main complaints. Too small, cheap material. One of the elastic straps broke. This one just says don't buy. Okay, all right, so we're getting a very similar vibe here. So let's go to the next one. We'll just look at this one as the final one. So again, if you look at this, the 1-star reviews make up 27% of their total reviews, which is a lot. So clearly people you know, are really not liking these products, but apparently car seat covers are very popular, so people still want to buy them. So yes, this could be a really great opportunity for us to go in and sell the same product, but just make sure that it's good. So again, this did not fit my car, did not fit. They don't fit. Just in a few minutes, we've quickly identified two main things that people don't like about this product. Now, this is where you would go to your supplier and you know, keep working with them, get them to see if you can get a better material, ask them what the best material is that you can get, or perhaps do your own research and give them some ideas and say, can you make it with this material? I don't know the details or specifics in this case of what material and so forth, but that's the general idea. So with the filters that we use today, you're looking for products that can be improved upon, and you know, if I could guarantee if you could get this product with a stronger material and start to get some positive reviews around it.
Just put the others to the post, don't you?
Exactly.
Because people will see that your one's better quality and people are more likely to spend their money on a better quality one rather than a rubbish one, basically.
Exactly, and that may even give you the option of bumping the price up a little bit more. I think the price points were already fairly reasonable. If I go to, where was it, car seat covers?
It's always, it's a happy medium, isn't it? It's good quality and at a good price. People don't mind spending that tiny bit more for something that's better quality, so...
Yeah, definitely, and particularly when you look at a lot of these listings have really low average star ratings. But the cool thing is that the price point wasn't that low to begin with either. You know, there's a lot of $20 ones, but yeah, the average price is $28. So, yeah, that kind of breaks down what I would be looking for in this scenario, and that's how I would use the average star rating to find some potential products.
That was awesome. So, guys, feel free to pop any more filters that you think would be pretty good for our next challenge in the comments below. Don't challenge us too hard. Try and be easy on us.
Yeah.
We're not horrible people. But yeah, and let us know about how your FBA business is going. If you've got one, if you're just starting up, or if you've been doing it for a while, let us know in the comments. We love reading about how you guys are getting on. And yeah, that's pretty much it, isn't it? So yeah, like and subscribe as always so you don't miss the next video.
Thumbs up.
And any other videos from us both. And we will see you next time.
Awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you guys.
Thanks. Bye.